In this video, we begin an introduction to organizing data. If a researcher wanted to do a study on the 50 wealthiest people in the world and their ages, they would first have to get data on the ages of these people. That information is available from the magazine Forbes. The data are listed below in the form of raw data. It has not been sorted in any way. So here is all of that data in no particular order. There are 50 pieces of data here, ranging from 27 to I think there's a couple in the 90s. We can't get a lot of information from raw data. We need to sort it somehow. And we'll start with a frequency distribution. A frequency distribution is the organization of raw data in table form using classes, which are quantitative or qualitative categories, and frequencies, which are the numbers of data values contained in a class. Here is the data collected into a frequency distribution. We have the column class limits, the tally column, and the frequency column. So the class limits column, class limits are the boundaries. I shouldn't say boundaries because that's a very specific term. The class limits are the limits on the data that we're putting in any of the specific classes. This first class has limits of 27 and 35. The tally column is just hash marks that tell us how many elements fell into each of these classes. And the frequency column tells us how many elements fell into each class in numeric form. And using this, we can make some general observations, such as the majority of the wealthiest people in the world are 45 years or older. In fact, we could go as far as to say the majority are 54 years or older. The classes in this distribution are intervals of 9 years, such as 27 to 35.